Hello again, guys. Very quick video for you today. A company called Earfun sent me out a pair of what they call truly wireless earbuds, potentially something to rival Apple's AirPods. I took a look at another pair of these sport earbuds recently, and even though they were wireless earbuds, the case was not wireless charging. This case is supposed to be wireless charging. These are the Earfun free true wireless earbuds. They're available on Indiegogo right now, so I'll put a link to their Indiegogo campaign down below. You can see on the back of the box here, true wireless connection, superior sound, wireless charge, up to 6 hours of playback, 30 hours plus with the battery case, IPX7 waterproof, which I think means I could wear them in the water, like if I was going in the pool or something. Voice assistant capable and ergonomic fit. The input is 5 volts at 1 amp, so it's not going to charge super fast. At least the case probably won't. And so inside the box, nice presentation there. Get the earbuds here at the top, the charging case in the middle. Pretty easy to open and close. It does have 4 LEDs on the case, and it looks like 2 of the 4 are currently illuminated, with a USB-C connection on the back. Very nice. Then a little black box with a USB-C to USB-A cable, and 2 more pairs of ear tips, just in case the included ones don't fit. In terms of the fit, they do have, you can probably see it there, they do have L and R on the earbuds themselves. Makes it kind of easy to figure out which is which in case you can't figure it out by just putting them in. And in terms of the fit, wow. I put those in and everything kind of tuned out there. It does block out a lot of sound, but I can still hear the surroundings. And I think I got to put them back in the case for them to actually turn on. So we'll put them in here. They did magnetize in there, and the red LEDs on the back did come on. So now I suppose I'll pull them out of the case and we'll see if they pop up in Bluetooth on my phone, and they immediately did. Earfun free in the other devices. So I hit the button and they are connected and ready to go. I'll give it a quick test with some music, see what it sounds like. That actually has bass. I'm sorry if I'm being kind of loud or kind of quiet. I can't tell, but they get decently loud. I've got them turned up all the way now, though. Let's see if the touch controls... Oh, they have buttons. They're not touch controls. So I push the button, it comes on. Push the button, and it stops. Double tap. Oh, double tap goes to my assistant. There was also a user manual here in the bottom of the box that I missed, so I can look up the controls now. Now, it does say here, for playing music, 1 tap does play pause. 2 taps go forward, 3 taps go back. What I'm noticing so far is 2 taps is going to the assistant instead. 2 taps on the left ear took it forward, but 2 taps on the right ear are taking it to the voice assistant. That's not a big deal, really. 3 taps takes it back. It's a little finicky, but it's working. That's good. But 2 taps does take it to the voice assistant from the right earbud. So it is nice to have that separation, though. Try it with a few different types of music here. Got some Post Malone from the new Spider-Man movie soundtrack. I'm very surprised by the amount of bass these are putting out. Like, it's not hurting me or anything. I do have them turned up all the way. It's very hard to describe. It's not like it's hitting me in the eardrums or anything, but it kind of has this almost a surround sound effect where it feels like there's a lot of bass. That ain't bad. That's not bad at all. It's good sound quality, and they get really loud. I did take them out and they didn't immediately stop, so I'm gonna have to hit the button to get them to stop, and I can put them back in the case. I'm very curious how this is gonna do in terms of carrying it around, so put it in a pocket, and it's a little bit of a bulge. Well, I tried it on a wireless charging pad and it didn't start charging, and it does show in here that it's supposed to work with a wireless charging mat. It says wireless charging not included, and it shows a Qi charging pad. I'll go try it on a different pad, see if maybe it was just the one I was using here. Well, I tested these Earfun earbuds on several different Qi chargers, and I couldn't get any of them to work. I've got this 3 charger plate and none of them would work. I put it on the back of my Galaxy S10 in the wireless power share mode, and it is charging wirelessly. So I guess maybe there's just something to do with different Qi pads, but the wireless charging in the case is working. Anyway, early impressions. I like the sound quality. The fit is very interesting. I'm not going to say they're the most comfortable things I've ever had, but they feel secure in my ear. They feel also a little bit large. If you can see it, I mean, it's a little bit thick. It's a little chunky. Definitely a little bit bigger than the Samsung Buds, and the case is a little bit bigger than the Samsung Buds case. But for the price point, and I think the price point was the most interesting part of these. Yeah, the super early bird. Like, if you can get in on them right now, estimated shipping June 2019, $39, and it goes up to $49 if you miss out on the super early bird, going up to like $80 or $100 or something like that. But if you can pick them up for 40 bucks, if you're in the market for a pair of Bluetooth earbuds, so far great sound quality. It does come with the interchangeable ear tips, and they seem to be a standard format. They look and feel the same as every other one I've ever had. So I mean, you could technically change out the ear tips for like foam ear tips. Not sure how they would fit in here with foam ear tips, but I might have to try that out because I do have some spare. But I think that's going to wrap this up for today. Definitely an interesting offering. USB-C, wireless charging, great sound quality, decent amount of bass, lots of sound output. I think these are a win. Check them out over on Indiegogo. I'm not an affiliate. I don't make any money off of this. They just sent these for free for me to take a look at. So thanks so much to Earfun for sending these out for me to take a look at. Thanks to you guys for watching. Hit the like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you're not already, if you want to get notified when new videos come out, and ring the notification bell to actually get those notifications if you haven't already and you want them. And I'll see you again very soon.